Hi everyone, Media Shala from MRIS 14 is back and so is your favorite snapshot into the world, beyond the bubble.
Hi, I'm Kavya,
Hi, I'm Mannat.
and together we welcome you to Beyond the Bubble.
Every journey begins with a single step, and the courage to take that step is what shapes our story. What do you think, Kavya?
Absolutely. Believing in our own voice helps build confidence, inspires growth, and encourage us to take bold leaps into new experiences. With that said, let's begin.
Did you know global cybersecurity threats have increased significantly this year?
Yes, I read about it. We have to be careful about it. Countries worldwide are now launching youth focused digital safety programs to teach students how to navigate the internet responsibly. A recent example is Australia.
A much needed step in today's hyper-connected world. And in the world of science, we are stepping into the future again. Researchers have developed an AI tool that can detect diseases just from our voices.
That's right. By analyzing tone, breath patterns, and speech rhythm, AI can detect conditions like Parkinson's stress disorder. But we have to be precautious. Though AI is able to detect these causes based on symptoms, we have to be cautious and consult a doctor before taking any step.
And now moving on to Hollywood buzz. Academy Award winning director James Cameron says he would stop making film if his latest one, Avatar Fire and Ash, flops.
I can't believe that's huge news. I really hope Avatar Fire and Ash works because the thought of James Cameron stopping is quite scary. Everyone is already super excited about the movie's amazing special effects and how many different actors are in the cast. We definitely will watch this.
Cinema truly has no boundaries.
Now comes our favorite part, School Insider.
This year, Manarashna International School, Sector 14, Faridabad, is organizing one of its biggest events, MRMUN.
Let's connect with a school reporter for more updates.
Hi, I'm Mihika and I'm here at MRMUN in Manav Rachna International School, Sector 14, Faridabad. What really stood out was the pure dedication from everyone. I saw how each teacher and staff member poured their heart into this. Their commitment truly paid off, making this event a roaring success. This is Mihika signing off.
And now moving on to most trending moment.
Apart from the outstanding performance of Indian women cricket team, Diwali has been added to UNESCO Intangible Heritage List. It's yet another proud moment for India.
That's truly remarkable.
And with that, it's a wrap for today's episode of Beyond the Bubble.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and comment for more exciting content from Media Shala.
Until next time, goodbye.